Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to the online class. Already know myself, Mr. Sukumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar Gurukul International School. We have already studied how to solve the pair of linear equations. That is by the method of elimination as well as substitution that we have studied earlier. So now another method is also there that we have to implement now, that is called cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. By using this method, how we can solve the linear equation, pair of linear equation. Suppose first linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is suppose the first linear equation because this is the standard form of the equation. This is called the standard form of the equation. Two variables are x and y. So this is the first equation. Let's say the second equation is a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these are the two simultaneous equations. So you have to remember by the method of cross multiplication how we can solve. So this is the formula. You have to remember that x divided by b1 into c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to y divided by c1a2 minus c2a1 is equal to 1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. Remember, this is the formula. This is the formula when we will solve a linear pair of linear equations. This is the formula for cross multiplication method. So we can say x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. First one is equal to last one because is equal to sign is there. So we can say x into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by cross multiplication we call. So you can say the x value is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So it is very clear that denominator should not be equal to 0. In order to find the value of x, we have to remember denominator should not be equal to 0. So we will write condition is or provided a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0. It means denominator will never 0. Then only we can get the value of x. Similarly, the y value will be y into, from here, y into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we have to remember this is the formula for x and this is the formula for y, whereas denominator must not be equal to 0 for both cases. For x is equal to, denominator will not be 0, as well as for y also denominator will not be equal to 0. So this is the formula that we have to use when we will find the solution by the method of cross multiplication. So now you see one of the example. Suppose I will write 3x plus y is equal to 7. This is the first equation, and second equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Suppose these are the two equations, and question is to solve the equation by using cross multiplication method. So first equation we can write 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Always remember, constant term will come to left side. Always remember, after is equal to you have to give 0. So first equation is 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Similarly, second equation is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So now we have to detect a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. So now we can say a1 is equal to 3, then b1 is equal to 1, coefficient of y, and c1 is equal to minus 7, constant term. Similarly, a2 is equal to 1, coefficient of x, b2 is equal to 1, and c2 is equal to minus 3. So that is our duty to find a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Now we have to write the formula. So what is the formula? X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the formula for x. So now put the value b1 is equal to 1 c2 minus 3 minus b2 value 1 and c1 value minus 7 divided by a1, that is 3 into b2 1 minus a2 value 1 into b1 value 1. So already we put the value. Now we will calculate. So we got minus 3 plus 7 divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we got 4 by 2 that is equal to 2. So x value came 2. What we have done? Only just to put the value of a1, b1, c1, whatever, just to put, so that we get the value of x. Similarly, y value c1 a2. c1 means minus 7 into a2, that is 1, minus c2, that is minus 3, into a1, that is 3, divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. Already we got, that is 2. You see here, a1b2 minus a2b1, that we got 2. So now minus 7 plus, that is 9 by 2, it means 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So dear children, we got the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So that is by the method of cross multiplication. So now I will give you two problems that you have to solve it in your home by the method of cross multiplication. So now you see, question is like this: 7x plus 2y is equal to 9. Equation 1. Then x plus 3y is equal to 4. Question number 1. And question number 2. 3x minus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So these are the two questions you have to solve in your home. Any doubt arises, you will ask me by my phone number. Dear children, anyway, this chapter method of solving the equation, pair of linear equations, that already we have done by three methods. One was by substitution method, that we have done. Second was by elimination method, and this method is known as what we have done today, that is known as cross multiplication method. So at home you have to practice it more. You remember already. Now the time is, situation is very bad condition already due to the fatal disease of corona. We should not go outside. We will always be at home. Stay safe, stay at home, and please maintain the distance always, social distance, that is first and foremost criteria, and also wearing of mask, that is very compulsory, and every moment also after some interval you have to wash your hands minimum for 20 seconds, so that you can protect yourself from this type of natural hazard, natural disaster, or severe fatal disease. And after that, please keep concentration in your study, because we have to complete our curriculum very fast. Time period is very short. So thank you, dear children. So you have to do these problems. If any doubt arises, you must contact with me. Thank you so much.